So, welcome back, watch addicts. It's that time again, and the watch has come today, and it is, let's do a wristwatch check. It's the 10th today, and I'm wearing my Seiko. It's a 62 mass. I think I paid about, it was about 900 quid this. There was a different one which was 1200 with the white face, but I've got quite a lot of white face watches, so, and I did like this one better. This is more like a heritage style, so I really do like this watch. So anyway, let's get down and see what we got. So let's get this open. As you can see, fully sealed. This actually came this morning about 10:30, so I've been waiting all this time. So let's see if it's the good, the bad. Oh, what the fuck have you sent me again? Because the last ones have been absolutely crap. Sorry watch gang, but they're abysmal. Oh, what's this? Centennium. Ultra exclusive. High end. Oh, it's the high end watches. Quick look at that. Oh, you can get a Omega Seamaster. No, I've already got one, thank you very much. So anyway, let's get rid of that. Oh, there's last month's watch. I haven't even took out the bloody box yet. A piece of crap that it was. So anyway, what have we got here? I know what this is. It's a Thomas Earnshaw. Now then, Thomas Earnshaw are not expensive watches, and I mean they're just cheap watches. And Watch Gang have sent me a Thomas Earnshaw cheap watch. Now Thomas Earnshaw, a friend of mine actually sells them on his eBay account, and he sells them between £39.99 in pounds to £99.99. So, does it say anything on it? What does it say on it? No price on it because they're ashamed of what price it is. So let me make it that way. So let's have a look. Let's see what we've got. The good, the bad, or the what the fuck have you sent me? Oh, I didn't put in properly. Well, it's a quartz. Do I like it or do I not like it? What do you reckon? I'm actually kind of liking it. Gotta say, it was that turd I got last month. So that's the one I got last month. This is this month's. I definitely prefer this over that. Throw that away. That's no good. So, Earnshaw Retrograde. So it's the retrograde one. So, oh, scan here to register. What the hell do I want to register it for? Water resistant, stainless. Oh, 5 atoms. Quartz movement. All stainless steel. Has that got a thing on? Yes, it has. Let's take that off. Oh, that looks a bit better now. Actually, that's not too bad. That does remind me a little bit of the Aviator got. Well, I know it's like goldy colour. And oh, where's that? Give me 1 sec. Give me 1 second. was the turd I got the couple of months back. Cadola, and that's this month. I know Thomas & Shaw aren't expensive watches, but to be honest, I'd rather have that than that. So, you're probably thinking, what the hell did you do that for? Well, it's a piece of shit anyway, so it doesn't matter. So anyway, I'm actually kind of liking that. That's not bad. And it is actually the 10th as well. Wrong time. It's not a... Oh, right. I need to go... Oh, look at that. 1:45. What time is it now? Oh, it's not actually 9 o'clock. 9 PM. That'll do. Oh, tick isn't all that great. Saying that though, the tick on my bloody, what's his name, isn't all that great. My Omega. That's a £4,000 bloody watch. So, but yeah, I'm actually kind of liking that. What do you reckon, guys? Put down in the comments whether you like it or not. I'm actually kind of liking this. Not sure about that on it, like, but oh, nice enough strap. What's this on here? Let's get this off. Let's take this off. Let's see. Oh, gold buckle, rose gold buckle to match the casing. Tell you what, let's put this on. Let's see what it looks like on the wrist. This one might just get a little bit of wrist time. At least he made the strap big enough anyway. There we go, what do you reckon to that? It's actually not too bad. Yeah, I'm actually liking that, even though it's a Thomas & Shaw, and I know these are cheap watches, and this is definitely not worth $150. I'm sorry, Watch Gang. You're getting very cheap lately, and I mean really cheap. Look at that. I'll still look. That's May's, I think, and that's June's. Cheap, nasty. You know, they're definitely not worth $150. But I wouldn't say this is worth $150 either. I'd probably say it's worth the $99. But, you know, I'm actually kind of liking that. Anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it there. It's not too bad a watch, thankfully. Ooh. Has it got a price tag on here? No, it's not. I'll have to check how much these actually are on the website. But you don't believe what they on the website. All I believe is what you can get them for on eBay and Amazon and places like that. That's all it's worth. So anyway, I'll leave it there. Hopefully, guys, I'll be out on the bike again. I had to work at the weekend. As it is Monday today, and I've been working all weekend, so unfortunately. But you know, that bites into my cycling time. But saying that though, it was absolutely hammering it down the other day. Had thunderstorms yesterday, so I couldn't have went anywhere anyway. But anyway, I have got some. Put that back on there. Oh, there we go. New tyres coming. And you're probably thinking, well, God, haven't you got enough tyres as it is? Well, yes, I have. But these are going to go on my high bike, on the Hard 7. And what I've bought, hopefully they'll arrive tomorrow, is another set of Vittoria tyres, the Barzo and the Mezcal. So what I want to do, I want to put them on the high bike, because these are 27.5 by 2.6s what I've purchased. and I'm going to put them on the high bike, and I'm going to do another trail with them on and see how much faster they are. So I did get was it 32, 33 miles per hour along the Monsell straight. That was good going. Yes, I was knackered by the end of it. End of that, I did put a lot of energy into it. And no, I wasn't using the motor because the motor was actually turned off. Well, it was out of the motor, I should say. So I'll see how we go. And also as well, I'm going to be changing the discs on it, and I'm putting I've got another set of XT discs to go on it, so they're going to go on it as well. So I'm not over keen on the discs that are on it now. So anyway guys, this is the watch. It's not too bad actually. I'm kind of liking it. So it is better than what the last 2, 3, 4 months of watches I got. So actually, let's take that back off. So, you know, I'm pretty happy with that. So anyway guys, keep watching, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you all soon.